Hey everyone, welcome to ClickFix. Today I'll show you how to forward WhatsApp messages quickly and easily. First, open the WhatsApp application on your phone. You'll see your chats page with all your conversations. Now, tap on any chat where you want to forward a message from. Once you're in the chat, tap and hold on the specific message you want to forward. You'll see several options appear at the top. Tap on the forward icon, it looks like an arrow. If you need to forward multiple messages, you can select them now by tapping on Additional Messages. Once you've selected everything, tap the forward button at the bottom. Now, select the contact or contacts you want to send these messages to. You can choose multiple recipients if needed. After selecting your contacts, simply tap the forward button at the bottom right corner. And that's it. Your WhatsApp messages have been successfully forwarded. It's that simple. If this tutorial helped you, please like and subscribe to ClickFix for more quick tech tutorials. Drop any questions in the comments below. Thanks for watching.